Welcome to Health Raz. Today, I would like to talk to you about silence. Begin by finding a comfortable seat on a cushion or chair. Let your spine lengthen from your tailbone all the way to the crown of your head. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Soften your forehead, your eyes, your lips, and your jaw. Relax your neck and your shoulders as your whole body begins to settle. Bring your awareness to the breath. Take a deep breath in through your nostrils, and as you exhale, let go of all the tension. Again, take a deep inhale, filling your lungs completely, and with each exhale, soften any tightness in your body. Now, return to your natural breath and observe the sensations at the opening of your nostrils. Feel the air entering your nostrils. Give each inhale and exhale the time it needs without rushing, staying present with each breath just as it is. Notice that the air is cooler on the inhalation and warmer on the exhalation. Stay attentive and connected to the breath. Stay attentive and connected to each breath, one after the other. Now, for the last few minutes, let go of the narrow focus of the breath and shift your attention to your entire body. Feel any sensation that you are having. all over the body. As you are paying attention on the breath, just pay attention on any sensation that you are having, not responding to it, not labeling it, just paying attention. Every sound is born out of silence, dies back into the silence, and during its lifespan is surrounded by silence. Pay more attention to the silence than to the sounds. Paying attention to the outer silence creates inner silence. The mind becomes still. Silence enables the sound to be. It is the part of every sound, every musical note, every song, every word. Use this silence. It is said, in this world, nothing is so like God as silence. All you have to do is to pay attention to it. During a conversation, become conscious of the gaps between words, the brief, silent intervals between sentences. As you do that, the dimension of stillness grows within you. You cannot pay attention to silence without simultaneously becoming still within. And as we end our session, gently awaken your senses. Pay attention on the sound in the background. Hear the sounds in the background. Come back to the room, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope you have enjoyed today's session.